This is the Ryobi 1900 PSI pressure washer, and it worked amazing on our driveway oil stains. The setup was simple and has great pressure for a compact unit. I love that it even has a built-in spot for soap, which makes cleaning even easier, and the wheels make it super convenient to move around. We poured down the cleaner, scrubbed the stain, and then power washed, and you can see the concrete before and after, and it came out looking like new. If you're looking for an affordable, easy to use pressure washer that actually gets the job done, this one is a definite solid choice.